How to link Instagram to TikTok. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To link your Instagram to your TikTok, it can be done quite simple. Firstly, what you need to do is open up your TikTok application. In your TikTok, make sure to log in into your account. At the bottom right corner, you will see the profile icon. Tap on the profile icon. Right from here, head over and select on Edit Profile. In the Edit Profile option, navigate to the option of Link. Here you will see the Instagram icon. Click on the Add option. This will redirect you to a new page of your Instagram. So over here, what you can do is you can enter your phone number, username or email address of your Instagram account. Then head over and enter your password. Once done, click on the login button. Once you log in into your Instagram, now you have successfully linked your Instagram to your TikTok. In the case of forgotten password, you can click on Forgot your password. There, you can enter either your email address, phone number, or user code. Once you do this, you'll be able to recover your password as well. So this is how you link your Instagram to TikTok. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.